Welcome to Yaznexaspark. Let's heal and learn together. Today we are going to see about an important topic of which is of tissue from subject of applied anatomy for the students of B.Sc nursing first semester students. Let's go into the topic now. At the end of the class, student will be able to understand the structure of tissues and apply the knowledge of anatomical structures to analyze the clinical situations and also therapeutic applications. Let's go into the topic now. First of all, what is a tissue? The tissue is of similar to the cells, which is a group of similar cells plus of extracellular matrix is performing the specific functions which is derived from embryonic genes or layers of these layers, and primarily the human body has an epithelial, muscular, energy of connective and nervous types of tissues. Let's see the each one of them in detail. First this comes of epithelium tissue, which is of arrangement is of different, and also connective tissues is of supports the production and binds, and also muscular tissues. We already seen in the video detailing about the muscles, features of muscles 1D, that is of cardiac, skeleton, and this on we have seen. And nervous tissue, the transmission of electric impulses is of nervous. These are all the four types of tissues. From this, we can understand the general structures, which is of tightly packed cells, and the nucleus is present here. And the beginning of this is of having the apical surface, which is of having the nucleus too, and basement membrane, which is of connective tissues, is located in the top. It is general structures of the tissue. First comes simple chymers, which is of structures of single layer of fat and blood, which is of functions mainly of filtration and diffusions and rapid exchange of the substance, and is mostly is located in the air space of lungs and lining of the heart and of blood vessels of the kidney globular. This is of the simple chymers presence. Simple cuboidal is of single layer of cubic cells which is of large and also the function is of secretions and absorption, and is of kidney tubules and ducts, and mainly is located in the small glands like, and also the ovary surface is located. It is of simple columnar, which is of the structure is of single layer of tall and column shaped. According to the name, it is the structure of the tissues. And nucleus are oval and located and near to the bases. And some cells may be having the microvilli, and goblet cells are often a small. Then the appearance and the function is of absorption type of line of most of the digestive systems, and also some glands and ciliated types of lines, and also blowing tubes, and some regions of the uterus it is located. This is a structure of connective tissue, whereas the fibroblasts and mast cells, adipocytes and plasma cells and lymphocytes and the mast cells are located. And the cells of having the fibers of the collagen and elastic and reticular group of cells, the main function of connective tissue is of production and transport and insulage, which is of blind and support to the tissues. You can easily diffuse the simple the connective tissues and also loose connective tissue. The arrangement may be varies according to the those of mast cells, elastic fibers, and the adipocytes, the group of substance, and lymphocytes, and the mast cells and elations, the collagen fibers. The locations will be the differ, and so connective tissues of this is of loose connective tissue. From the arrangement itself, we can see that the dense tissues of fibroblasts and the collagen fiber are tightly packed, and there is no gap between that. So, the simple connective and of loose connective and dense connective, the difference in the arrangements and also the cell presence. These are the differencing the connective tissues. This is of adipose tissues, and you can just draw and see this. This is of easy one. This is of adipose tissues, and it is having the droplet, lipid droplet, and the nucleus, the cell membrane, the adipocyte cells. These all makes the adipose tissue. From this, you can understand the function. Epithelial function is of production and absorption, and which is tightly packed. And the muscles is of three types of muscles are there: skeleton, cardiac, and smooth. And connectives of support and blind and transport functions. The main feature is of the abundant matrix is present. And nerves is of control and communication. Source of nerves system is the most important aspects in the tissues. You can refer the Rosen and Wilson for the anatomy so that you can get an extra effort to learn the more topics. Thank you for watching Yaznexaspark. Let's heal and learn together. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Any doubts you can drop the comment here. I will be there for replying soon. And don't forget to share my channel. See you in next video with a different topic. Until then, this is Yazhini, your nursing tutor working in SNS College of Nursing. Signing off. Thank you.